Hello guys, my name is Shivam Pandey and you are watching me on Discover and Uncover YouTube channel. So in the last lecture we have covered the different types of data structures we use in this subject. So today we are now going to discover the elementary data organization in the data structures. Right. So the very first data structure that comes into our mind is array. Some of you might be similarly studied this type of structure, which is array, in your PPS or something similar to this. Right. So basically, what is an array? An array can be defined as a set of infinite number of or finite number of similar data items. Correct. To denote an array, we do nothing, but we denote any name to that array. For example, A, B, C, D, or anything like that. And in square brackets, like this type of brackets, we write the number which denotes the amount of the space we require for this in this array to store the elements in this array. Correct. And if we have an array whose name is A and we have this size of 8, then it means that we need a space of 0 to 7 in the main memory to store this array. Let me be more clear and tell you how to store this array. So if I write here an array is there which I'm giving the name of A and I'm assigning it a value of for example let's say 3, correct? So in the memory, you will see that the array will be allocated like this in the main memory, like this, and like three partitions will be there in this memory, one, two, and three. Yeah. So these three partitions will be there, zero, one, two, and this is the third one, right? So if we see the in this array, we have three blocks, but in the memory, the indexing of arrow always starts with zero. So if we have three elements, and if the indexing is starting from zero, then we have the first block as zero, the second block as one, and the third block as two. So you might be thinking that we have taken a memory of three and we are storing the elements only up to two. That's not the case. Actually, the elements which you are going to store is three only, but the indexing is as starting as zero. So you are seeing that we have only three elements, zero, one, and two. But if you count these three elements, you get a sum of three. Like zero is first, first is second, and the second one is the third. Yeah, so you get three elements here. Down here you can see in my notes that to calculate the size of the array, you can use this formula upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So basically that is a very usual mathematical formula. For example, if you have an array of size, let's suppose 8, then you have 7, the numbering of indexing from 0 to 7, and in total you have 8 elements in that array. Yeah. So below the array, we have been given the operations which we can perform on the array. We have performed multiple operations to create an array, to insert elements into an array, to delete an array, to traverse and merge array. And if you, in case you don't know that how to insert an element in the array, to be very clear, I want to just quickly demonstrate you that how we can insert the elements in the array. To insert the elements, we can simply I'm not using the VS Code right now because I think so this that these things are very much basic and do not require such like demonstration on the onto an idea. ID, and to create an array, I have told you that we can write the name of the array and we can just denote the size of the array in the square brackets, right? And if you want to insert something, then you can easily insert things like you can write. Just 1 second. I can open my VS Code for you all. Yeah. So I'm going to open our VS Code to tell you more things about the array because that would be very much clear for you all. Wait. Just a second. So I'm making one file, like I'm making tutorial.c. Yeah. So in this file, I'm going to write a header files of like C language, include studio.h, and wait, guys, I'm facing some bugs in my stdio. Sorry. Stdio.h. Yeah, and mm, we can write int main. Mm. So to denote an array, we use int a, and in square brackets we denote the size of the array, which is 3. And yeah, it is the array is allocated in the memory. And to insert elements into the array, we use int a 0 equal to 1. Yeah. So what is the meaning of this int a equal to 0? And let me just quickly print the value of this first element, which would give you the exact value of this. I write it as percentage d, and to get the value, I write here a and a and 0. Yeah. So let us see what we get as the output. Run code. Oh, sorry. I'm getting some error. Uh, I think so. Because I'm running Java codes in my this programming file, and I am just switching that from that part to here, and I'm just like quickly using C language here. So that is the problem which I'm facing here because this is not able to generate this code. That's not a very big issue, and I have told you how to like. And if we remove this part and then we can run the code, then it will be definitely run. It is, yeah, so it is running, and then F and percentage D, comma A 0, and let us see that if it runs or not. Yeah, so it is running. Yeah, so that was my mistake only. I have written int and I was not just concentrating on that int. And so this code is working really fine. And we have allocated in the indexing, we have allocated A0 as 1. So if we still have two spaces left in the memory, in the array, like as A1 is not allocated to the memory right now, and A2 is also not assigned to the memory. Yeah, so that is all about arrow. And to delete arrow, this array, we can just simply write we can write del, and we can write percentage d, and we can delete this array.